Hello, welcome to Casted Bronze Media, where we showcase happening inside the city and also video coverage of events. In today's video, we'll be showing you construction going on in Sapele Road. Right now, we are at Sapele Road. This is Okabe Junction. This is one side that they're already working on. We'll be showing you how far they've gone. Usually, they are working in like one side, so the cars they are moving. They are using one side. Going on, you can see that there's traffic this other side of the road. It's really stressful, but hopefully when they are done with the construction, the road is going to be like really smooth and nice for everyone. Okay, you can see like this part they've already laid the roads. Like they are fast. They are very fast, and it's going to be a very solid road. Yeah, when they are done with the look of things, you can see. Funny how today is Sunday and everywhere is still busy. We thought they are not going to be working today, but today is Sunday and they are still working. Like they are very fast with the work. Besides the fact that okay, this is the rainy season, they are still working. Like that's why there's lots of water in this other side of the road and it's causing traffic. Some cars are even breaking down due to the water. Okay. More like the drainage system in this other side of the road is functioning properly. If you look closely, you see. Unlike this other side where there are lots of water everywhere. You can see the traffic here due to the construction. Some people are just like sitting, trying to get bus and all of that. Because of the road construction and everything, it's not really moving smoothly. More like they divided the road. Like look at this part of the road. Like they are almost done with this side and it's really solid. Okay, you can see this part, everyone is trying to find their way. But this is one major road that literally everybody uses. So because of the construction, there's nothing they can do. They just have to pass this particular road. So everybody is trying to figure out their way. And it's Sunday morning, I'll be afternoon, I don't know. Because of the sun, I don't even know. But today, it's a sunny day. We're enjoying the view. But hopefully, with the way they are working, everyone will figure out their way soon. The road construction basically is affecting some businesses, but some not really. Unlike like this one, this Amelsa Park, the people created a path for them to follow, so their business is still running properly. Their transport business is still running properly. So thank God for that. Thank the people working here for that. Okay, if you look closely, you see that this other side of the road there's erosion. I think because it's rainy season and all of that. But if you look closely, you observe that the workers are also trying to ensure that this other part of the road is being managed by them. Like if you look now, you see that they've poured stones here. Like some of the cars they usually sink. They usually come around to help them out. So that's really nice of them. Okay, this country home road, you can see that the government is already working on this road now. They are doing a very marvelous work. If you look closely, you observe that cars are not really like moving in this road because they blocked it due to the construction going on. Don't forget that it's rainy season, so that's why there are waters everywhere, but they are working on it already. So hopefully we'll get our road back soon. So you can see the road block signboard in front of us. This is like the cement vista they are using. So wait for you. This is the country home road. Like this is the junction here. This is where they usually call the Ajib junction. Like this is country home road. But they are still working. Despite the fact that it's Sunday. This is the road block. Okay. Thank God for the weather. Despite the fact that it's rainy season, it's still like sunny once in a while. So today is Sunday. Everywhere, yeah, the weather is very nice. So they are still working. They are still working. It's more like they are trying to make good use of the weather. Because normally they don't work. Like people carrying out construction, they don't work on Sundays. But they are doing well. Like they are doing a very great job. If you look closely, you observe that okay, this drainage system have been here for a while, but they've been able to clear whatever that's been blocking it. Yeah, so it's really nice. If you look closely, you can see some palliative measures being done here. So they were able to pour some stones in this side so that some vehicles will be able to pass through this other side of the road. So that's really nice. This is a very nice job going on here. Like I'm really happy. I'm really excited about this construction going on. Like it's a very nice project because this is one of the major roads that we use, and seeing the work that the government is doing here, I'm really excited about it, honestly, because it's beautiful. One beauty of Edo State is that we have interconnecting road. That's why this construction going on. This is this park here. They usually go to Sapele, Ogara. So they are still working perfectly well because there's other roads that they can pass through. So there are other roads that they can pass. So thank God for that. So this construction is not really affecting the motorists, and that's very nice. Let's video this other part. Closely, you observe that this drainage had issues before. It was more like it was blocked, but they are constructing. The gutter is still being constructed. If you look closely, you can see some wood here. You can see. So after the construction, we are going to have a very nice drainage system. Okay. Sunday, they are still working. You can see that their gen is still working. So they are still working. It's Sunday. Oh. They are not even taking break. They are not taking a break at all. They are working both weekdays, weekend. And that's really, really nice. You can see they are working. And it's Sunday. They are still working. So you can see that unlike the other side, they are trying to make sure that this side of the road is nice. Well done, sir. Yeah, the road is coming together. You can see. This side is already coming together. Even the drainage is already okay. The work is really, really neat. If you look close, you can see that like it's very, very solid. Despite that they are not done, but it's really, really nice. So I'm very, very happy. Thank the government for this great job. Like it's a very good development in Edo State. This is another connected road to Sapele Road. This PZ road. This is one road that people are using to divert. So you can see that they also keep stones here to ensure that it's a little bit manageable for the motorists. So thank God for this particular road. It's also helping. And it's rainy season, that's why there's lots of water here. So we don't even know when it's going to rain. You can see I'm even holding my umbrella. But hopefully it's not going to be raining today so that they can walk properly. Police station. But one bad thing about this construction work is that it's affecting some businesses. So like this particular one now, it's been affected by the construction going on. So we are hoping that they finish up on time so that every other business can go back to normal. Talk about it. Okay. Despite the road construction, these people, they are still carrying out their businesses. More like they might not be making stays as usual, but they are still working. They are still putting out their flowers for sales and all of that. And that's really nice. So hopefully they will be done soon and they can go back to normalcy. This construction going on, like I said before, is being done on Sapele Road. So it's divided into sections. So this is like the section from Okabe to Limit Junction. So other times we'll come around to show you the other parts, like the other sections. You can see. Because we can't even try doing the video one day. Like we can't show you the whole of Sapele Road in one day because it's a very long road down to bypass and ring road also. So this is Limit Junction. This is where they stopped. This is where the road is being blocked. So they've not worked on this part of the road. So you can see that Limit Junction is not being blocked. So vehicles are still passing. So that's why we said the road is being divided into sections. So this is Limit Junction. So we have showed you parts from Okabe Junction to Limit Junction. So we'll be coming to show you some other sections of the road being constructed in Edo State. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Ciao.